Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. I'm Brent. Today it's an 18 GT350. It's a sleeper. You know why? It's got the Hellion twin turbo sleeper kit on it. We're gonna watch a dyno pull. We're gonna go down, take a look at the engine compartment, show you what we have going on, tell you the mods that's done to this car. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe, hit notify, stay up to date. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, here's the story in this car. This is an E85 car. We also dyno a 93. We're gonna talk about those numbers, but this client bought this. It already had the turbo system on it, and this is something we do. He called and said, hey, I bought this car. I just wanna make sure like everything's good. I don't know a lot about it. I wanna make sure the tune's good, everything like that. So we said, bring it in, we're gonna do an inspection, compression check, everything came out great. Saw some color spark plugs, went over the fuel system, everything on this car. Doug, come down here, take a look. So it's a twin turbo kit from Hellion. It's a sleeper kit. We are running 11 PSI on E85. ID 1000 injectors, booster pump. So you have a fuel pump booster on this car. We installed billet oil pump gears, our big Adler radiator, rear cylinder head cooling kit. We call that our ultimate cooling package. I'll put links in the description to all this stuff. You can read more about it and what's it costs to get installed. Or maybe you bought a car used. I want to know what's on it. Email quote@brenspeed.com. We can get it taken care of. So we're going to watch this dyno pull on E85. Also talk about what it made on 93. Check this out. All right, we're gonna check out these numbers, but if you have a GT350 and you love GT350 videos, I'll put a link at the end to our GT350 playlist, so you can watch a lot of other videos on these cars. But DynoJet SAE Smoothing 5, 11 pounds of boost, 901 roll horsepower, 7,300 RPM, I love that. 85, 648 torque, again, amazing, 7,200 RPM. Sit graph, great power on 85. Now on 93 octane, we're about 739 real horsepower on this car, dropping the boost down. I think it was like around eight pounds of boost we were doing. But it's a sleeper, man, I love it. The Hellion twin turbo sleeper kit, again, clean car. And most of the 350s we get in here, it seems like they're like black, red, or white. So it's really cool to have this blue in here today. I love this car. It's one of my all-time favorite colors. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. Again, check that playlist at the end, our other 350 videos. I will put a link to shop tour videos so you can kind of see, we're in Indiana. You can kind of like look around the shop and see what we do here. Again, comment, leave it. I'm happy to answer. Thanks so much for watching.